Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we grow mushroom in our College of Horticulture Tenzol, Mizoram, which will help you to grow your own mushroom at your home. Have you ever wondered how mushrooms are cultivated with precision in indoor places? It all starts with a spawn, and today we will show you step-by-step process of mushroom production using mushroom straw. The process begins with the selection of substrate paddy straw for mushroom cultivation. Then the straw are chopped into small pieces of about 5 cm in length. Then the chopped straw are soaked in water overnight for softening it. Then we pasteurize the straw by boiling it in water for about 1 to 2 hours or minimum 20 minutes to eliminate pests and contamination. After each layer, we carefully press the substrate inside the plastic bag to remove excess air. This layering and air removal process is repeated until the bag is filled. Then the bag is tied tightly and small holes are made in the bag for air exchange and mycelium growth. Then it is kept in dark and clean room for inoculation. Temperature is maintained for about 25 degrees over a period of 15 to 20 days. Over a period of 15 to 20 days, you will see the white outcrop of mycelium spreading all over the substrate inside the bag. Once fully colonized, the bag is shifted to a well-ventilated room with indirect light. Maintain a high humidity for about 80 to 90% by sprinkling water on the bloom regularly. Watering is done twice a day daily. Avoid overwatering and water logging. Now we have come to the final stage of harvesting the mushroom, which are well developed but not fully opened yet. These are gently twisted and plucked out. Harvesting is done carefully to avoid the damaging of other fruitings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow mushroom enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel to discover more agriculture tips and techniques.